Yo, we just got back from the post office. Hey, Maya! Maya! We just got back from the post office. It's hot out, so we got a little unboxing. Are you ready, Maya? Are you ready? Okay, let's jump right into it. So, I don't know if you guys know, but Ssense is having a big sale right now, up to 50% off most of their shit. So go check that out if you are interested in getting some good sales. I'm trying to find my scissors. Okay, so we got the scissors. Let's unbox. Jump right into this unboxing. I'm so excited. Got some stuff from Maya, some ACG, some Bape. We got a little bit of everything in here. So we open it up. We got some nice classic, just white paper. I actually need this paper for a little art project I'm doing, so I'm gonna try and keep it neat. I don't want to rip it. Now to for real, Febreze. Oh yeah. Get into the unboxing. First item. I just saw this in the suggested and thought it looked really cool. There were some other colors I really wish I got too, but I was like, oh well. It is a comb. So, it's from this company called Recomb. It's supposed to be like recycled, beauty from waste, combs made from recycled plastic, PP, polypropylene plastic, hair for all types, combing, detangling, sculpting, reduce, reuse, recycle. Let's go. Large comb, cyber colorway, I guess? Is that what it is? Yeah, I think it's the cyber color. Bow, bow, bow. So, let's rip this open and check out our cyber colorway comb extreme fun edition. Just kidding. So, let's open this cyber comb and we'll see what we got. So, it just comes with the comb in this nice little paper pamphlet. Looking to change the future of hair tools. Blah 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 blah. Eco movement. Yeah, it just talks all about recycling and how like bad plastic is. And then we got the comb, and it's actually a lot more like yellow than I expected, and it looks a lot more different than the actual picture. Like the bristles or whatever they're called on the comb are more like farther apart by the looks of it, and it's a lot more orange, which is very strange, and it's just not as durable. I thought it was gonna be like super durable, like it looked like it was gonna be like actually like made of marble, but yeah, it doesn't seem like that strong of a plastic, and it's a lot more orange than I thought. Like the colors are not as cool, and it's just like the shape of it isn't as cool as I thought, so I'm gonna have to like go look at what the picture looked like and see why I was so hyped about this. Kind of lame, because I like the colors a lot and I wanted to order more of these, so kind of disappointing that it's not like as exciting as I thought. And then you got the logo Re-Equal Comb. I don't even know what the company name is. Re-Equal Comb, I guess. Recomb. Oh yeah, it's just Recomb, but they put a little equal symbol in the middle. Yeah. Not as exciting as I thought, but still kind of cool. It was expensive too. That's why I was hoping. Like, that's why I had high expectations, you know? But oh well, it's still nice. Can't go wrong with that. Next, here's something, a little piece for Maya. I got her a Carhartt script dog leash and collar combo. So, in black and white colorway, one size. Very nice. It's got a Carhartt script. And I'm gonna have to loosen this because it's very, very small right now, but hopefully it fits her nice. I also wish it was reflective. That would have been cool. And there was a khaki colorway, but I just stuck with this one. Had to swag out Maya, right? A new collar for Maya. So this is the Carhartt Work in Progress edition. So like, I think that's just like one of their collections that they do. Carhartt Work in Progress. There's a lot of different pieces that they release for that. Very cool though. One size. And then here's the actual leash. So we got a new leash from Maya, and she's already excited. She's perking up because she thinks we're gonna go for a W word. I'm not even gonna say it. Carhartt work script dog leash. Color black. One size. Very nice. And yeah, it's just like it's not the same as the comb. It's not as nice quality as I thought, but you see it has like the double clip, so it clips on each side, and it's got a ring so you can adjust it where you want to hold it, and then you can clip it onto the collar. Yeah, pretty cool. So you can adjust it if you want short or long. I like that about this because with Huskies, when you're walking them, if you let them on the long leash, it's nice for them to like sniff and explore, but at the same time, they pull like crazy. So if you want to chill them out, you got to put them on a short leash, or if they're just being too crazy, you don't want to, you're like too tired, you can't handle the pulling, short leash to tame them down, you know? Or if they're just being crazy in general, short leash just tames them down. So yeah, if you want to see more details of this, stay till the end. I will do a preview of all the products, a close-up of all of them, so you can see them in full details with some lighting on it and actually see what the quality's like. But yeah, the metal, everything's just not as like heavy and like durable as I thought. It's all just like, feel like, it's like, I don't like that cheap feeling. It needs to feel quality to me. Next item, super excited for this. Oh, well, not first. This is my first Bape Milo piece. Very, very nice. I do have one pair of Bape pants, but I've never actually bought any Bape for like retail from like brand new. So it's my first brand new Bape piece anyways. I got a Bape Milo store sports towel. Love the bag it comes in. Cute little Baby Milo logo on here. I like the Baby Milo stuff. It's very cute, very nice. Definitely gonna keep that bag for decoration. And then we got the sport towel here with the little Baby Milo little tag on there. I'll use for decoration too. And Baby Milo store by A Bathing Ape tag on there as well. So Unisex Bape sport towel, very nice. Baby Milo store, 100% cotton. It smells like a new book, or like, just smells like very new, very nice. Nowhere Company Limited. Interesting. I like that name. Nowhere Company. Very cool. Like I'm doing Igloo Studios. This is just Nowhere Company. And this towel is way smaller than I thought too. I thought it was literally gonna be like a towel that I could like lay on the beach, like a huge towel. But this is literally just like a towel that I would like use around my neck. Like this is so small. Like this is like the most minimalistic towel you could get, honestly. But at the same time, it'll be sick. I just really wish I could like lay on it, so I could like lay on this on the beach or something. That would have been a cool flex. But at the same time, I love this. The design on this is so fun, so fresh. I love the colors, so sick. Just not as big as I thought, but still I can use it as just like it's a piece that I wear, you know? Like I'm at the beach, I'm on vacation, I'm at a water park. At least I have like something with me, or even on like camping, at least I have like a small towel with me. It'll probably dry quick because it's tiny and thin. Yeah, another surprise. Like this is why I don't shop. Like I don't like shopping on, like I love shopping online because it's like the future and it's the way to do it, but at the same time it's so much more difficult. I wish these sites would put like product to human comparison and like actually put detailed images, like how I put previews at the end of my videos that you can go check out at the end. If you don't even want to watch this, you can go skip to the end and watch my previews. But yeah, these companies should be doing these detailed previews to show you what the product's like and all the details to it. So if you want to see the details, I will provide the details for you. If you like the products, you can go buy them. That's what it's all about. Yeah, I'm here to do the good, the swag, the drip, the things, the things. Okay. Next. Is this the last piece? Oh, no. I'm not going to show that one yet. Next. I got this funky playing leash. So it's a set of two. Oh, one of them has like the clip and the other one's just an extender, I think. Very cool. It's got a lot of Chinese all over it, so I do not know, but it's made by this company named Snow Peak. I thought it looked pretty good quality and like really long and nice. So yeah, Maya will have a nice like plain leash so I can tie her up and she can just run around free and do whatever she wants. I think this is awesome. It looks super good quality. Should I open it? Yeah, I may as well. This is an unboxing video. Oh, it comes with 3 spirals. That's sick. So you have 2 extender type things, and then you have 1 main one. So that's so nice. I really, really like that. Stay till the end to see the details. Maybe I'll even hook it up to Maya and show you guys what it's like outside or something. That would be cool. Or I'll save it for another video. Who knows? Okay. Now for the very last item. The one that I wanted the most. The one that I've been looking, waiting. It dropped in sale. I was so happy about it. So happy about this purchase. I will be doing a review on this also because I got a jacket a few years ago and I absolutely love it. The ACG Primaloft jacket. Honestly, look how beautiful this is. I thought this was embroidered. On the website on the one website that I was looking at, it said that the ACG was embroidered. Or maybe, is it the Primaloft that's embroidered? Yeah, the Primaloft's embroidered on this one, so that's sick. Very sick. I'm sad the ACG isn't embroidered because it's peeling off on my old jacket, which kind of sucks. But this one looks reflective. Like, bro, this even looks better in person. I love this like washed colorway. I love abstract washed colors. This one feels a bit different than the older one too. It's a bit more like, feels a bit more like rain proof. It even has like, feels like it has a coating on it. And then we got the little ACG World. It even says ACG on it. So cute. It was on one of the vests that I wanted, or the puffers, the ACG puffers. So we got this little ACG Earth thing on the pocket. Super nice. We got some paper in the pockets, so you know this thing's brand new. So nice. This thing retails for so expensive. I am so happy about this. Each one's unique from the specialty dye. I also love that. And this one's Therma-Fit too. My other one isn't Therma-Fit, so maybe that's why it's more like wishy-washy type material. It looks a lot bigger too, but I like that. I like a loose fit. So I'm so excited for this jacket. This is gonna be like my everyday wear for next winter. Unfortunately, summer just started in Canada. You know, I need to stay strapped up in some sick jacket. So this is it. That's all I got in my haul. Super happy with this piece though. It made it all worth it, even though I wasn't as happy with the other pieces as I thought I would be, I mean. I am extremely happy with this piece. It was all on sale, like ranging from 10 to 40% off. So it's still not bad at all. Very happy with the purchases. You see it's got this nice wash on the inside too. A nice gray wash tag up here with the Therma-Fit ADV. Very nice, a little hanging thing. Rope-to dope tag. Classic ACG recycle tag. I thought there was like a patch in this one. My other one has the rope to dope like patch on the inside explaining it. But this one doesn't. That's okay. Still so beautiful. Love it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Stay till the end to see that preview. Appreciate it. If you watch the video, appreciate it for the support. And hope you guys enjoyed. Comment what you think. Yeah. Peace out. Oh, it feels big. Oh yeah. But that's kind of drippy. Like that big baggy look. Right? Because it's like, it's perfect length torso. But then arms, it's so big. It's way poofier than my other one. So stay tuned for that review. When I'm done it, I'll add it to the description. If you're watching this later, I'll add the review for Primaloft ACG. I can't escape your influence. How does it look? Do you like it? Do you like it? Oh yeah, we got it on long mode right now. Don't mind my messy room. And Maya being a funny girl as I try and record this preview. Carhartt, work in progress. I'm gonna have to get some Carhartt drip for myself now, eh? We're gonna match, Maya. I really wish it was reflective. And then if I need to go, how does it work? Or I can clip it like this and get it shorter, or I can, there's all different clip combinations I can do. What do you think, Maya? Do you like it? Sit down. Sit. Good girl. Show everyone your fresh new leash. Your drip. You dripped out. You dripped out. You dripped out.